Hello friends, here in this presentation I am explaining abrasive water jet machining process. In previous lectures we have seen abrasive jet machining process and water jet machining process. In abrasive jet machining process, high velocity of abrasives are used for machining. In water jet machining process, high velocity of water jet is used for machining process. Here combination of both abrasives plus water is used for machining process. Introduction. We know that abrasive water jet machining is mechanical energy based non-traditional machining process. And here I said earlier, mechanical energy of water and abrasive phases are used to achieve material removal or machining process. It is developed in the year 1974 for to cut soft and hard materials. Soft materials like rubber, foam, wood, plastics to harder material like metals, titanium and diamonds. Basic working principle of abrasive water jet machining. Here as the thin stream of water leaves from the nozzle and abrasive is added to the stream and mixed. If the high velocity of mixed abrasive plus water is used for cut much harder materials. Some of the abrasive are commonly used, that are silicon carbide, aluminum oxide, sand, corundum, glass beads, glass powder, and the grain size of the abrasive particles is normally less than 2 microns. Here we are using 10 to 150 micron meter. And working of abrasive water jet machining, we have seen the equipment setup of water jet machining. The same kind of water equipment setup we are using here. That is starts from reservoir or tank and pump to intensifier to accumulator to valve to this setup. It is you can see in here, that is a tube, a high pressure water supply, and it leaves the nozzle. This kind of setup are used in abrasive water jet machining. It was given in the notes. This experimental setup is given in notes. You can draw that diagram here. Because of working principle, I am given this diagram here. And pump reservoir is used for storing water, and pump is used to pumps the water to intensifier is used for increase the pressure of the water, and which send the pressurized water to accumulator which is accumulate, that means store the pressurized water and send the pressurized water to the valve is used for given flow direction to the pressurized water, and the high pressure water is sent to the nozzle. In that high pressure abrasive powder is mixed with high pressure of water, and here nozzle work is here, decrease the pressure of water and increase the velocity of water plus abrasive powder. This high velocity of water plus abrasive powder is used for machining here, which is used to cut the harder material too. And the advantages of the abrasive jet machining process: it is cheap, that means water is cheap, non-toxic, it is easily available, and we can dispose very easily. It is environment friendly process, and no hazardous gases are produced in this process. And we can machining irregular shapes and complex shapes. Maintenance cost and operating cost is very low, and both hard and soft materials can be machined, and the precision of machining is excellent. These are the advantages of this AWJM, and disadvantages of this process is initial cost is very high. Because of that initial cost, it is not suitable for mass production. Increased time for cutting of hard materials. It will take it can cut 10 times faster than the conventional machining process, but compared with other process, it is take much more time for cut hard materials. Very thick materials cannot be machined with higher accuracy. It is slow material removal rate. It is slow material removal rate. And some of the applications of this abrasive water jet machining process are: it is used in paint removal process, cleaning process, cutting soft materials, cutting frozen meat. It is used in textile, leather industries, drilling and turning process, and nuclear plant dismantling process. Thank you.